This is Word Unit A, the Visual Workshop. We're going to start with a blank screen and we're going to be typing the Lee cover letter. And so we'll begin just going to the left margin, substituting your own name for wherever it says your name in the textbook. And we should be in the no spacing style. See how much room I have between my name and the address? I'm going to go ahead and select everything by dragging my cursor down and choose the no spacing style. And then we'll go ahead and continue typing. I'm going to pause the video while I do a little typing and I will be right back. Okay, we are back and I have typed in the first part of the letter, and I'll talk about the spacing. Put 3 enters or 3 returns between the telephone and the today's date, and then put 4 between the date and the inside address. And then this is 2 and this is 2. When you type a letter, you pretty much use 2 returns between all of the parts. The exception to that would be between the date and the inside address is 4, and in between the closing, like Sincerely Yours, and then your name, that would be 4 as well. So I've begun typing this paragraph here, and I want you to notice that when we get near the end of the line, that the computer will automatically word wrap for you. So you should not be pressing enter when you get to the end of the line. Again, I'm going to pause the video so that I can finish typing this. I have the letter finished and I have saved it. So I did a File Save As, and then I went into my Word Unit A folder and I saved it as Word A Lee cover letter. And now I'm ready to do the formatting. So I'm going to begin with the first 3 lines, selecting all 3, and then I'm going to choose my centering option. I'm going to take my name, which is on the first line, and I'm going to change the font to 14 point, and I'm going to bold it. Now I want an underscore after this last line of the heading, and I'm going to use in the paragraph group this bottom border, and that puts that line there for us. So now I have my letter finished. I've done all of my formatting, so I'm going to save it again, and I can just take a shortcut and do a Control S. And it's always a good idea to run a spell check. So let's go into the Review tab, start the spelling and grammar check, and it says, oh, it's complete, we're good to go. Now that doesn't mean that there aren't errors. You do have to read it and be careful looking for errors, but at least we have no obvious errors. So this is the end of the video, and you should go into Blackboard and look at the answer key for this file and make sure that your file matches the answer key.